Good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on what we have started before, our royal Pent house in Revit 2023. So we focus on how we were able to create the roof and roofing system in the last episode, especially when we were creating the ridge cap, and we were able to join everything together and everything look firm as a single roof. So that is the beauty of what we. So if you are seeing this for the first time, you can quickly browse through our projects on the YouTube and check some of those that we have not forward before. So we created the ground floor plan, then we created the first floor plan. So this is the roof plan as well. So you look at it from the side. So this is what we are able to create. So now the next thing that we want to do is to create the fascia board for it. So we're going to start without further ado. So go to front elevation. So from here now you look at this, we are going to create our fascia through this level. So but we are using roof to start our references. So go to components. From the component, click on model in place. At the model in place, casement work. So at the casement work, you say fascia, click on right fascia. Something, so you click OK. So from there now you start doing the sweep. I'm using sweep as my own design element. So click on sketch, then you start by picking the lines. So the lines of the edges of each roof is what I'm picking here. So that is what for the upper one first. So I'm dragging it back to get this to this point. So I'm clicking finish, then profiles editing is next. So I'm going to edit the profile from here now. So open is from the. So what I do here is that from here I draw my first line. You can drag it inside if you want, so when you know the boundaries of that one, but later you can do that when you are doing the section and cut stuff. So you do this one by 300. So I'm creating this in place, creating this, and then creating this, creating this. So I'm going to give this one opportunity of arc. So it's going to be here. So I'm dragging the same method. So good. So I'll finish it here now. So finishing at that level is one thing. So close this particular one. Now click and then you say finish. So the profile is set completely. So any angle you are seeing it from, you see it vividly. But okay, this is the profile of the system that you have created. Look at it. So that is one. So the next thing you do is that I'm copying this all around. So you can check it from the west, check it from the east, so you can see what I've done. And this is the painting. So we'll go to what is it called, southwest elevation, east elevation, sorry. So I'm going to copy this and bring it about. So I'm cutting this one into different places. So I'm using from the back. So first thing I drop the one here. So another one I'm dropping it here. So all these ones are going to follow through, and the process of it is going to be straightforward. So now I'm editing this one so that we align with this this front hip roof. So click and down, and I will say sketch. I'm not going to work on the profile anymore. So I'm going to focus only on the sketch, because the profiling are going to be the same. It's only the parts that have an issue to follow through. So the first thing I do is to join this together. This I've deleted those one at an SS. So what I need next is to align all this together to the roof part. So align, then align this one as well. So it never finished. So you click, then let this particular one go further back. So you click on the line, then drag it further to the back. So you click on this one and drag it further to the back as well. So you click finish here and you click finish. So you go to elevation and you see that it's already snapped to that position. So the next one is this particular one. So you edit this one again. So you edit. So come to the sketch part and you go to level 1. So where you're going to do that, click on this and then let's do it in level 2 where we can be able to see what we are doing. So let's click this, you delete this one, or you leave it because of the back one that have that aspect, but you may not be able to need it for now. You just reduce this one to this point, then you delete this to this one. So align this to the roof entirely, then drag it in a bit. So I think that is okay, and click finish and click finish. So when you check this one from the east elevation, you see what we have here. So but for this, I'm going to reduce this one because I don't want this aspect of pattern. So I did that. So click on edit here and go to level 2, open it and delete this one. So let it go further and go deep. Finish. So go back to the east elevation and see, yes, it's already snapped. So what you do here is that we mirror this one so that you're going to be able to use it other sideways. So click on mirror, and then from here now I'm going to work on this. Finish. So here I'm going to do edit. So edit parts is what I'm going to work on. So edit parts from level 2, open this. So what I do is that I align everything again. So first I align that. So then the next thing that I begin to create the other parts in which this is going to follow. So select the parts and select those parts. So the same way, the same method that we do here. So now break this up. So click finish and then you click finish again. So go to the south elevation and see what happened. I've done something wrong in that level. So I'm learning it. Okay, my mirror was not copied. Sorry for that. So I'm going to mirror the copy. I didn't check it when I did that. So this one is set. I did this again so that it snaps to this roof. I mean this column. I did the parts. So click here. Say open. So let it be aligned with this part. Good. Click finish. Click finish. So we want to do the same thing here. Go to south elevation. Click and say edit parts. So edit the part again. Come here. Open the part. Then you align this one. So it was the mistake of the first one because we did not check the aspect of copying. So it didn't copy when we did that. So click this one and you say align. So finish the same thing with this level by aligning it further, and you delete this entirely from behind. So click finish and then the fascia is ready. So now this is the fascia that you have created. You can click finish and see everything work with your hand. So the beauty of it is that started coming and everything. So the next thing is that you focus on the elevation, the aesthetic value, and give pure quality to this. But before then, there was something at the back I want to work on, which is the archway. So I'm going to do this, click this one and say, now let me show you what I'm doing before, so that it may look like I'm doing magic. So you look at this from here. So this place is too open, which is supposed to have some arc at this level. So that is what we want to create. And the same thing, we are not going to create this one like that here because we are going to use this one. So this particular wall, edit the profile. So you need to learn how to do that one in this particular issue. So this one I want to create it. So let's go down. We're going to create that one. So I'm using this particular wall. We say create similar. So by using a create similar, the unconnected area remain what we want, but the base, I'm going to change the base here now because why? I'm going to raise it up to 20,300. So you know the unconnected area is 3 meters, which is 3,000. So we're going to change that now. Add what is will be with this 2,000, with the 2,300, I will make it 3,000. So it's 700. So click 700 on this unconnected place. So that one you'll be able to draw this, go like this, then you draw this one. Yeah, so you're done with that, with these two, which is okay. So when you look at it from 3D, can you see? So they form this program space, and that is what we want to create at that place. So you want to do the same thing for at this level 1 as well. So you click there again and say, just click that all the property returns. So you do the same thing at this level. Beautiful. So you can go further to the level 2 and you do the same thing at the front side as well. So you click here and say, then you can click like this. So you can go like that. So you delete this one, then you come to the center so that you'll be able to join them together. Good. So when you look at them from the 3D now, you see that everything has gotten to the point of easiness. So this is it. Can you see? This is what you have done, and this is what is applicable. This is what is available. So that is the programming in Revit. It is simple, it is easy. So all what you just need to do is your devoting time to continue working consistently on it. So in this project, we are able to do this fascia completely. So by the time we are assigning material and everything, you are going to see the beauty of everyone coming out. So thanks for watching.